Hello, good afternoon. This is Juan with the Radix Construction. So today we are in Mrs. Barry Wayne house, address 29 Brookhill Road, East Brunswick, New Jersey, 08816. And we are here with the claim number 080 69 55 12 6. So today's date is 10/9/25. Today we are with 60 degree and the time 4:52, and we are here to do a ATR since a lot of shingles are damaged through the wind. So we're gonna see if we can fix this portion here without damaging the other shingles. So let's begin with this. We have I just want to mention we have the same three tab shingle here, same dimension. The color we couldn't really find the same color, but it's really similar as this. So this is what we're gonna be using, brand new shingle. So let's start this. All right, so just want to mention the before we start, I don't have no granules at all. No granules at all. We'll see when I finish if we have any. If we don't, so that's gonna be great. So today we're gonna be using snake bar, which is required to do the repairs without damaging the other shingles, because with this we can nail easily. So let's start. We have two bars. This is more thin, because with this sometimes I ended up damaging the shingle, but we're gonna try to do this repair as carefully as possible. So let's begin with this. So this is the portion that we're gonna be taking off. So one, this is missing. Two. So in order to take all this, we're gonna be lifting all the shingles. You're gonna see in the video. All right, let's begin with this then. All right, yep, that's good. This is the thin as possible, because this is a little thick, so I don't really want to use. I just use this to put the nails back. So let's see. Nice. Perfect. Perfect. This as well. Nice. All right, now remove this. Okay. All right, perfect. Perfect. Now we're gonna start removing the nails. We're gonna start from the bottom part first, and then we also have to remove these nails, because this shingle is attached to this line and this line here. All right, let's see this then. This is a little hard, but we're gonna use more thin. Oh my gosh. As you see here, I'm doing it as carefully as possible. Look, this is a really big mass transfer here. this is like 1.5 inches. So look, not even with this. The rest, it was easily to take this off, but this is complicated a little bit. All right, let's see. All right, let's remove the nails. All the nails as possible. Okay. So we're just gonna remove this now. Here. Okay. Perfect. So the first line, it's almost out. It's almost out. Oh my gosh. I forgot to take this off also. Alright. Okay, so the first line, we just removed the nails. So now, as you see, we're not gonna be able to remove just removing the first line. So we have to remove the nails from the second line now. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Sounds good. Alright. Nice. 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 Now we're gonna make sure there's no nails, nothing. Right. Okay. Boom. Perfect. Okay. So we just removed this shingle. As you see here, we have a lot, can you zoom in here? Mass transfer. And this, look, it's a lot of mass transfer here. So if I have a mass transfer here, I'm assuming that I'm having mass transfer in all the shingles that I left to. Yeah, I have a lot of mass transfer here as well. Later on, I'm gonna be marking all the mass transfers. But just to start, mass transfer here. All right, so now we're gonna begin installing brand new shingle. As you see, it's the same dimension. It's the same dimension and almost same color. So we was able to get it. So let's just start with this. Now, this shingle will not be able to seal in this because of the mass transfer. All right, let's go with this. Okay, perfect. Nice. Okay. So now we're gonna nail it back. So that will be it. By the way, before all that, we have a lot of granules already. Look, all this granules. Look. We have a lot of granules already. So let's begin nailing the shingle. Okay. So let's start with this. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Let me just a minute. Right. This. All right, right here. Yep. You nailed it perfectly. Okay. So now we nail it here. Nice. Okay. Perfect. We got one more nail here. And that will be it. Right. Okay. 2, 3. Perfect. Now let me just take this real quick. Put the shingle here. The shingle here. Take all these nails. Alright, so it's really visible here. Look, all this granule. Look, all this granule. It came just from this. Look, all this granule loose. Alright, so since this row is already nailed, we're gonna nail this shingle now. Alright, perfect. Let's do this. Okay, same thing. Nice. Okay, perfect. Alright. We have one more nail that was here. Perfect. Snail. Snail. And then one more here. Okay. All right, so we just done. So now, as you see here, as I mentioned before, we had a lot of granulus. Look, all this, it's a lot of granulus. This house has really the pitch. That's why all the granules went down. It won't really appear here, but we'll see the damages that we have here. So the first damage is when I was lifting this up. It's really visible. This shingle get creased. Creased shingle. This shingle as well. The shingle's creased. This shingle's creased as well. We have a creased shingle here as well. This looks fine. Look at the nail, what they did. And it has a mass transfer right here. It has a lot of mass transfer. Look, it has a mass transfer here. All the mat was transferred. So when this is not gonna be able to seal anymore properly how it was. We have a mass transfer here. We have a mass transfer here. Here as well, we have a lot of mass transfer. Right here, all this, the mat was transferred. All right, this looks good. As you see here, I circle it. Because of this, all this mat, we cannot really do the repairs in the portions that you guys telling us to repair because of all the mass transfer. And also we have a lot of damage here to the bar. I'm gonna be marking with different color. Snake bar, look at the damage that caused. Snake bar, look all this snake bar. The damage is through the snake bar. That's like mechanical. All this snake bar through the new shingle. Let me see. We don't really have damages, but to all the shingles, the rest of the shingles, we have a lot of mass transfer and also mechanical damages. Yep. So some of the damages that we have here, let me just mark here real quick. All right, so let's see here. So we have granulus. We have crescent shingle. We have let me see. We have a lot of granulus, crescent shingles. We have let me see, mass transfer. We have a lot of mass transfer. All right, so these are the most common ones that we was able to find, and also mechanical damages through the snake bar. So for this reason, this ATR was fail. So we're gonna write it out. ATR. The ATR was fail for some these reasons. If you guys got any questions, just you guys can call us or contact us directly through our email. So I hope this video it will clarify that why we cannot repair the portions like this, like right here, all the creasing. So all these documents, yeah, you already have. I was with you guys in the same of date of inspection that we came, and it has a lot of. It's not just 3 to 4. It's more than 12 damages. So this is why we are requesting for a full roof replacement. See ya.